Ayan. So, let's make a
Okay.
quick ano po kung sino yung may question kasi I know Coach Paul's time is very limited. So, one by one po tayo, don't interrupt. Paki-raise lang po ang hand pa sa isa-isa ko po kayong tatawagin kung sino yung may question. Thank you po. Alright, sino pong una? Coach Paul, welcome and thank you so much for your time, Coach. I know you're so busy here there in Dubai.
Okay po. Si Ma'am Gina po ang unang magtanong.
Ayan,
Ay,
Miss Gina.
Hello, good morning. Ang question ko is regarding contract. Kasi
Okay po.
tiningnan ko yung invoice ko, nakalagay my deposit is 400.
Okay.
Tapos naka-withdraw na po ako ng 400. And
Mhm.
then pero yung nakalagay sa paid is 800.
Yes po.
So why is
So,
that 400 pa lang yung nawi-withdraw ko tapos naka-paid is 800?
no po. They are going to pay you 800 because that's 200% of your capital. So if you already withdrawn $400, that means meron pa kayong mawi-withdraw na 400.
Okay.
Total 400 kasi we end the contract when we reach 200%.
So this one that contract is already end or hindi pa?
Hindi po.
So
Hindi po.
I can still withdraw 400 more and then
Yes.
paano ko malalaman if the contract is end?
Ma-finish contract po kayo and then you will see it in your dashboard. Wala nang laman, zero.
Okay. So it
Ngayon po,
doesn't mean na nakalagay na paid 800. It doesn't mean that 800 is already paid.
Opo.
All right. Okay.
As long as nakikita nyo in your dashboard na nandun pa yung capital, if hindi kayo nag-compound, but if you compounded, of course, it will add it to your capital and then the ending of the contract is prolonged.
Oh, it's prolonged pa. So pwede pala i-withdraw kahit capital, right?
No, ate. If we withdraw the capital, ito kasi yung principle. Kapag naka 100% ka na, halimbawa, you get back your capital, when you want to withdraw your capital, wala ka nang makukuha. Kasi we have what we call safety net na capital back lang yung termination. For you to withdraw your capital kasi meaning you are terminating your contract. Tama po? But if you terminate your contract, pero nakuha mo na yung capital mo, wala ka na pong makukuha kasi you breached the contract.
So ibig sabihin, yung initial deposit ko will still just remain there.
Yes po, until they deliver 200% of your money. And then your contract is finished. And then you choose to put money again and to continue earning. And if you have a team and you are earning from the network, you need to maintain your rank and you need to maintain your capital for you to get your network income. Ganun
So
po
the
siya.
same thing with the rank position. So if I don't maintain my deposit on the rank, hindi ko maka-cancel din yung rank ko, right?
Yes po, ganun po yun. Kasi may requirement po yung rank eh. Kaya nga po,
So
actually, the capital or the earnings or yung capital natin is actually irrelevant kapag meron kang network. Maliit na lang yung capital.
Okay.
Pero yun
Yeah.
po, put it in your mind na 200% yung pera. 200%. If you put $1,000 when you already received $2,000 and you are done. Tapos na po yun. Unless maglagay ka pa. So, in between, halimbawa, naglagay ka ng 2,000. And then along the way, naglagay ka ng additional 100. And then along the way, naglagay ka ng additional 100. Meaning, yung 100 na yon magiging 200 din. Separate yun dun sa 2,000.
Yeah, different contract.
Yes,
Right.
different contract.
So mapoprolong yung ano mo. Okay, that's answer it, right? Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you. Sige po, sino pa po ang next?
Anybody else? Please raise your hands if you have a question so we could call you one by one.
So I believe naman po you already understand how the system works at napakaganda yung sistema ngayon. Everybody earns passively. You earn 2 to 3% every single day from your USDT deposit. and it's working so well. You don't need to do anything. It comes to your wallet straight every end of the what do you call this? Every end nung cycle period. Every day, depending on the time. I don't know kung anong cut-off time dyan sa Eastern Time. Pero dito kasi, actually yung cut-off, magkakaiba sa bawat tao. Depende pala kung kailan ka nag-deposit.
Mm.
Okay po? Kasi we are now running in a 24-hour cycle. So the cut-off for your 24 hours, depending on the time you deposited. So hindi tayo pare-parehas. And if you notice sa lahat po ng nandito, no, when you are receiving your passive income into your wallet, you notice na nagmo-move siya ng isang oras. So kung na-receive mo ng 5 p.m. today, tomorrow it will be 6 p.m., right? And the following day, it will become 7 p.m. And then the next day, it will become 8 p.m. Napansin niyo po?
Yeah. Actually,
Yes.
that's correct.
Yes, ganun po siya. Kasi when the cut-off is finished, that's the time that they will again start the trading. So meaning magmo-move talaga siya ng isang oras.
Mhm.
Okay po. Sige, what else pa po? Para ma-address ko pa.
Crisilda. Go ahead, Sis Crisilda, your questions.
Lahat
Hello,
po,
Coach.
Ate Divine, lahat po
Yes.
kayo nasa Toronto o nasa
Mostly
Ontario?
mostly taga-Canada po, Coach Paul. This is Gina, she is a big leader. Ang dami na niyang in-enroll. Yan yung nagdala ng maraming tao. Kaya po,
Wow.
kaya po,
Ano yung rank?
pareho na kami.
Gold.
Gold na.
Mhm.
Palagpasan pa ako niyan, Coach.
Wow.
Kaya
So you're
maraming
Ate,
tanong. Super dami ng tanong ko kay Coach Divine.
Yeah.
sige po.
So anyway, another one. So
Mhm.
in this case, kasi yung auto withdrawal is to get our money back is through auto withdrawal. So hindi talaga
Yes.
tayo pwedeng mag-lump sum ng withdrawal, right?
Wala po, hindi pa ganun ang business model.
All right. Okay. Just to clarify that. Yeah.
The only way for you to get your earnings is to reinvest or auto withdraw. If you are reinvesting, you're not getting money back to your wallet. Kumbaga lumalaki lang yung capital mo until you decide to do the auto withdrawal. That means malaki na yung magiging daily mo.
Yeah.
Ganun lang po siya.
Yeah. So thank you.
Okay po.
Ayan. So wala na bang mga questions? Let us maximize Coach Paul's time. Guys, let's go.
Anong oras na po ba dyan? Ate, di ba tanghali dyan?
Tanghali po.
Okay. Akala ko. Nalito na ako.
So si Sis Crisilda rin isa ko yung leader, Coach Paul. Yan yung,
Okay.
may leader yan siya sa Iloilo na talagang ano din yon, malaking leader. So sasabong na
Okay.
talaga tayo nito, Coach Paul. Si Sis Malo, may
Wow.
leader din yan sa Germany. Si Sis Merlo, nasa work lang siya. May leader yan sa Germany na nag-work alongside with us. Tapos naka-enroll din yung kahapon. So sasabog tayo sa Europe. Philippines, ang dami na nating team sa Pilipinas.
Wow, masaya ako pag nakita kong mga nag-diamond na kayo.
Yes. Ito si MJ pumapasok, isang leader din to under ni Coach Gina. Kapapasok lang. So, Coach Paul, thank you for your time. Coach MJ, I know
No,
you
this po. Let's take time to answer all the questions
Yes
kasi
po.
very rare ito. Dahil traveling ako in the next 2 days, nasa Vietnam naman ako. So,
Wow.
iba na naman yung time zone. But sabi ko nga kay Ate Divine, when I come back to Canada, we can convene somewhere in Toronto siguro.
Yes po.
Mag-conduct tayo ng event. I will advise you kung kailan ako nandyan para maka-organize tayo.
Yes.
Ate, sa
Ayan.
Toronto. And then, kung meron naman sa Vancouver, pwede rin naman kasi pumupunta naman ako ng Vancouver.
Yes. Let's talk about it. Okay, Sis Gina kasi maraming galamayan doon sa Alberta eh.
Oh,
Yes.
sa Edmonton
MJ,
or sa
question ka
Calgary
na.
po?
Sis Gina, saan po kayo?
Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan pala yan.
Saan po? Sa Regina?
No, dito sa Swift Current.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Up north.
Maliit lang na city, but we have lots of friends.
Yeah, I believe. So anyway, kung hindi naman tayo makapagkita ng physical meeting, we can, Ate Divine, we can do this maybe at least 1 or twice a week, yung ganitong AMA session or Q&A session. Para yung mga bago, we can clarify kung may mga gusto nilang maliwanagan.
So
Yes.
anyway, another question because wala naman nagtatanong, then I can take this
Sige po.
opportunity. So
Sige
di
po.
ba sa di ba sa network program, mayroon diyang sa ranking, mayroon lang siyang limit withdrawal, correct? Na
Yes,
pwede.
depending on your rack po. So, parang si Ate Divine, ang limit niyan ngayon $3,000 per day.
So once you reach, yeah, that's a lot anyway.
And
Kasi
then,
kung
the good thing about it this time, kasi nung last few months ago, nung ARBCore pa tayo, separate, magkasama yung cashback saka yung network income. Ang maganda ngayon, magkahiwalay na yung cashback saka yung network income. So parang sobrang natuwa ako dyan kasi from my cashback, I'm withdrawing $7,000 a day, and on my network income, I'm withdrawing $7,000 a day. So at least that's $14,000 a day. Although hindi naman yung goal, kasi ang goal ko nga is at least 30,000 to 50,000 or $100,000 per day. Yan yung ultimate goal. Although hindi nga pwedeng mangyari yan kasi meron tayong limit per account. So, masaya na ako dun sa 20,000 kasi honestly, as of today, siguro ang nawi-withdraw ko every day is $20,000 per day.
So ibig
Because of-
sabihin,
Yes po.
okay. Ibig sabihin you have more withdrawals in the networking than your arbitrage?
Yes
Kung ganun
po. Kasi
kalaki na ang withdrawal.
I have 10 million volume.
Oh.
So, malaki po yung network. Max out ako every day, and then my passive income from my own money nasa more than almost $3,000 every day. And then 14 for the two withdrawals, yung cashback is 7,000 as of today. Yung network income is 7,000, but hopefully by next week mahit ko yung infinity rank. Once na nakuha ko yung infinity rank, it will increase $8,000 a day.
Grabe. So ang kagandahan po dito sa network withdrawal kasi you can withdraw whatever amount is in there, right?
Yes po. As long as na you don't exceed the limit. Kasi like sabi ko, I'm
may limit.
grand drunk. So ang pumapasok kasi sa akin sa network income is $8,000 to $9,000 a day. So ang nawi-withdraw ko lang doon is 7,000 a day. Masaya pa rin ako doon. Malaki pa rin naman yun.
Yes, because may limit nga, correct.
Yes, pero dahil may nawi-withdraw rin akong 7,000 from the cashback, kasi separate po yun cashback and network income are now two different categories. Unlike before, di ba ate? Magkasama yun.
Yes.
Ngayon, masaya ang mga tao ngayon kasi separate po
So
na
separate
withdraw
pa yung withdrawal sa cashback, right?
Yes, separate po. Kaya mas malaki na ngayon yung kita.
Yeah. By the way,
Wow.
yung pa lang sa network na yan, at saka yung sa network, yun lang yung limit. Pero yung sa iyong partner, hindi yun unlimited yun, pati yung sa iyong arbitrage. Right, Coach Paul?
Yes, your own money, your own passive income, unlimited. And yung partner's income, yung direct referral bonus, ano po yun? Unlimited din yun. Walang limit po yun.
Yun. Kaya the more direct, guys, the more partner's income. Gayahin natin si Coach Paul.
Oo, maganda yan.
Ayan, guys. So we're so glad. Thank you so much, Coach Paul, for your time. Again, I'm so delighted
Kasi ano
to.
lang po ito, we know we've done even bigger volume in other projects that we've done before. Kung dito mo po siya dadalhin, talagang marereward ka ng sobra-sobra.
I have a question. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Bago umalis si Coach po. Now let me open my.
Okay.
I have appointment at 11 kaya I couldn't. I'm getting ready. Hey, good morning everyone. Nice to meet you.
Hi, hello ma'am.
MJ from Edmonton, Alberta.
Okay.
My best question to you, Coach Paul, is how to be like you? What is the best word to apply to all the people around us? So we are not going to be, let's say, Oh, again? What is that again? I would like to record it if you don't mind. Kasi
Okay, ate, actually, there's no difficult things to be like me. Ano lang siguro, magkaiba lang tayo ng needs or goals. Kasi yung needs kasi and the goals is depending kung ano yung motivation mo eh. If your motivation is only 3,000 a day, you will work for a $3,000 a day. But if your motivation is $30,000 earnings every day, iba talaga yung gagawin mo. Wala ka talagang ibang gagawin kundi yan lang, focus mo. Wala mo ng holiday, wala mo ng relaxation. Every hours counts if you wanna hit your goal. And then you relax after that. Kasi it becomes a habit. It becomes a habit po kasi if your habit is earning $5,000 a day, magiging normal sa'yo yan. And then when you set a goal na $10,000 ang gusto ko daily, syempre you will work it out, babaguhin mo yung mga routines mo kasi alam naman natin mga Pilipino, lalo na sa abroad minsan, marami tayong mga ginagawa na hindi nagko-contribute doon sa ginagawa natin. We waste our time. Don't get me wrong, kasi ako rin, I was a victim of that. Ang dami kong sinasayang, nanonood ako ng Netflix ng 2 oras, kung saan-saan ako na, hindi naman siya nagko-contribute doon sa aking goal. So, tinanggal ko na yon, ineradicate ko yung mga ganun. Hindi na ako nanonood ng Netflix, sayang yung oras doon eh. So, ang ginawa ko lang, nag-focus lang ako. So, imagine when we, imagine po ito when we relaunch in June 4, okay? June 4 and today is June 29, tama po?
yes.
So meaning that's 25 days. So for the last 25 days, the whole team deposited $10 million in less than 1 month.
Your team?
Yes po.
Hallelujah. Let's go, folks. That's awesome. Wow, I can hear big
Ganito po
chunks
yan.
here.
Of
Grabe.
course, ang lagi kong sinasabi sa team, if you are doing something, either sabihin na natin at the back of your mind there are hesitations, but for me I never show it to my team. If I do something, I will never doubt it. If I doubt it, I will never do it, because you
Correct.
cannot do something while you keep doubting.
Exactamente. Yes. Even I would say, if you doubt God, it will never happen, folks. That is for
Yes, correct.
so you
Ganun po.
better trust Him and
Kasi
trust.
ako po,
Yeah.
alam ni Ate Divine to, kasi lagi kami nag-uusap ni Ate Divine. My goal, Ate Divine, sabi ko dati, 10,000 lang masaya na ako eh. $10,000 a day, masaya na ako eh. Pero nung nandun na ako sa $10,000 a day, magle-level up yung goal. Ang gusto ko naman ngayon ay $20,000 a day. And na-hit ko na ulit yun. Now my goal is $50,000 a day.
Unlimited. Non-stop, isn't it?
Ang buong mundo ay napakalaki naman natin, unlimited, and my biggest market so far is North America, Canada and USA. USA alone, they delivered big time, like 7 million from America alone.
Sorry to interrupt because we started very little, very tiny. Di ba, Gina? Gina is
Because we doubted. We
We
doubted
were
because we
victims.
come from a scam family.
yes, that's why.
Okay lang po yun. Okay lang po yun. The advantage is you are ahead of those who are still coming. You are already in.
We
So,
doubted,
sabi
that's
ko,
the problem. But now,
Yes.
we gonna have to be big believers to move forward.
Yes po, and then no time to waste talaga. Again, I know most of you guys, especially in Canada, we are all busy. Naintindihan ko 'yan. Kasi taga-Canada rin naman ako eh. Ang point ko lang is yung ibang Pilipino nagwo-work pa nga ng 2 job, 3 jobs just to have ends meet. Pero it is a continuous cycle po kasi eh. So kung hindi mo talaga siya bibigyan ng oras ito, kung part-time mo lang siya ginagawa but you want a big income, hindi po niya ibibigay eh. It really takes a lot of effort and sacrifice. Kumbaga, hindi pwedeng 1 o 2 lang kakausapin mo. When I was in the US, alam niya Ate Divine yan kasi nakikita niya ginagawa ko doon. I was in the US for almost 3 months. Wala akong ginawa doon kaya iniikot ko lahat ng mga states doon. Lahat ng mga Pilipino pinagkakausap ko. Ganun po yung ginawa ko. Then after that, after 3 months, and it's all autopilot. And hindi naman sa hindi nag-work. Nagta-travel na lang ako. I go where my leaders are, sinusuportahan ko sila, pinupuntahan ko sila, and then tinutulungan ko silang i-build yung team. And then I'm very happy na there are almost 30 leaders na nanggaling sa US na nakasama ko sa Montenegro. And I was actually telling Ate Divine na this time when we go to Turkey this September, sana marami namang manggaling dyan sa Canada.
Wow.
Yes, let's go, guys.
It's coming too soon, though.
No, it's not.
Ate, sabi ko nga sa'yo, look at this. It's not too soon. We still have 2 months to prepare. Imagine what happened for the last 25 days, right? June 4th up to today, it's only 25 days. And the whole team delivered $10 million. What about if we do it in the next 2 months? Gaano kalaki yun?
So yung $10 million na yun, is that all your directs or not necessary?
Ay, hindi po. Mga 31 lang ang directs ko dyan. Pero ang direct volume ko lang ay nasa 150,000 lang.
Oh, wow.
And all the rest are, level down to hanggang mga level 30 na nga eh. Marami na siya. So, kasi malaki yung grupo. Day in, day out yung ginawa ko eh. Na sacrifice from the very beginning. Pero ngayon, parang harvest time kasi.
Mhm.
So, naniniwala din ako dyan kina Ate Divine. Sobrang sipag din kina Ate Divine. Sobrang bilib
Yes,
ko dyan.
correct.
Tapos ako nagsusupply sa kanila ng USDT. So since mga taga Canada po kayo, when you need USDT, just let me know. Kasi marami tayong source. I will give you USDT and then just deposit the Canadian dollar into my account, my bank account sa Canada. Para hindi na pa kayo ma-charge sa fee. Kasi I don't charge fee naman. Pag
Oh,
sa
wow.
US talaga, pag sa US ka, nag-charge sila doon ng 5 to 8%. Alam ni Ate Divine yan. But for me, bilang tulong ko na po sa inyo yan, kung ano yung exchange rate online, yun na lang ang pag-uusapan natin.
Nice.
Yan, sinasabi ko na yan sa kanila, Coach.
Para hindi na kayo ma-charge. Kasi po, pag bumili ka sa crypto.com, 7% po ang charge doon. Kasi sometimes, pag kailangan ko ng CAD, sinesend ko yung USDT, hindi USDC, kasi walang USDT sa crypto.com. And then ibebenta ko siya into CAD, and then CAD i-withdraw ko siya sa aking TD Bank account. Ang kaltas po ay nasa 7%. Ang laki nun.
TD Bank. Oh.
Yeah, and vice versa. If for example, you want to buy using your bank account, going to crypto.com or going to Bidjets or going to Netcoins, alam ni Ate Divine ng charge. You will be charged like 5 to 7%.
Malaki din yun.
So ako, nililet go ko na po yan para
Thank
sa inyo. Tulong ko na yan sa Canadian team para mag-grow. Pag iba-iba lang yan, i-charge ko rin yan ng 5%.
Thank you, Coach Paul. You're the best.
Yes, thanks.
Thank you.
I'll contact you
Coach
if I mag-deposit ng malaking funds.
Maraming magta-top up ngayon, Paul, I tell you. Yeah.
Grabe po, everybody is crazy after the Montenegro event. Nako po, super na fired up talaga yung mga tao because they see the beauty of the new platform. Where can you see this kind of platform naman na very seamless siya, very transparent naman. But again, don't take my word. I will not say na this is a risk-free. Of course, there's no holy grail in making money, okay? So again, we are all making an adult decision. This is I'm not telling para lang magkaroon kayo ng doubt. Of course, I always say, when we put money in a platform, we are always making an adult decision. Okay, no matter how good the words that we are saying here, it's still your money, it's still your personal decision. You can still do your own due diligence kasi as I don't want the same thing that happened in the past na parang kami yung sinisisi nila whatever happens. So hindi kasi we are just an agent of opportunity. Sinishare namin yung magandang blessing na nangyayari. So it's up to you kasi yung iba kasi minsan I cannot blame the kababayans, even in the US sa sobrang nabaliw yata sila sa sinasabi ko, nangutang pa sila sa ano ba yun? Yung retirement benefit po, ano ang tawag doon?
CPP.
Ano
Or-
ano yan? Parang
Are still
401.
old age
401.
pension? Yeah.
Oo.
Wow.
Nag-withdraw pa sila sa kanilang mga
See.
401k. Again,
Tap-
it's okay if you calculate your risk and then you move fast and you work it out fast, wala naman pong problema doon. So yun po yung pinaka-strategy na ginagawa namin ng mga members ko. So kung malalaki din yung account nila, alam din naman ni Ate Divine kung paano i-strategize to make the maximum income. Si Ate Malu, masaya ito lagi. Nakikita ko sa Facebook niya. Masaya ito mag-post. Galing pa sumayaw.
Coach. Ano lang yan? Pang-entertainment. Thank you, Coach. Thank you. I'm trying my best. Thank you. Nasa trabaho po ako kaya medyo minsan nakaka-cut off. Sorry.
Wow, I really admire nga yung mga kababayan natin na ganyan, na they are at work but they are finding time,
Yes.
para lang makahanap ng oras para pag-aralan o intindihin yung ginagawa natin. Kasi ang pinaka-key po dito, for you to earn bigger, kailangan maintindihan mo yung buong sistema para ma-strategize mo yung approach mo. Hindi pwedeng narinig mo lang, maganda siya, lagay ako ng pera, pero nababagalan ka kasi wala kang ginagawang additional or you are not learning more. So, information is very powerful. So, I encourage everyone na kahit may mga information na nanggagaling sa akin, nanggagaling sa GC, I encourage you guys to always attend the Zoom meetings with the CEO. Kasi very informative yon.
Yes, and we are
Kung-
so lucky also that Sister Divina is trying her best also to record it for us na medyo busy so that we
Yes
can
po.
still get the information we needed, right?
Yeah. So kung hindi po kayo maka-attend, meron naman pong record lagi. At the same time, yung mga leaders natin ginagawa ng summary, detail by detail, para maintindihan nyo kung ano yung diniscuss dun sa Zoom meeting.
That's
Okay
right.
po?
Thank you, Coach. Thank you very much.
So, any question regarding po sa technical side about what else? About wala naman na tayong mahirap intindihin. Depositing, withdrawals, napaka simple lang naman ng intindihin kasi yung mga leaders naman natin, they know how to do it. For sure, wala naman na kayong question about how are you gonna spend your cryptocurrency because in Canada, you have a lot of ways to exchange your USDT into your Canadian dollar. Alam niyo na po ba 'yan? Lahat po ba naiintindihan na? If you have Bitget, if you have Netcoins, if you have Crypto.com, you can exchange your cryptocurrency into CAD. But be careful because there are limitations also. Napaka-stricto rin ng Canadian government
Coach Paul,
sa mga limitations.
tanong po, may isang leader akong nagtatanong, hindi siya diba nasasabi na mag-open tayo ng card or bank? Nakikita ko sa back office 2027 pa daw, pero tinatanong nila baka may alam po kayo kung kailan daw yung mag-launch.
Okay, it is
Visa,
part of
Mastercard.
it's part of the roadmap about yung card, pero hindi pa na-finalize. But don't worry, pag nagpunta po ako sa Toronto, magdadala ako ng card, bibigyan ko kayo. Kasi may supplier ako ng Visa cryptocurrency card. I gave it to a lot of the Americans already. You
Okay.
just download it and put your USDT into this card, and then now you can withdraw in the form of Canadian dollar from any ATM. And then you can also use it to tap in any POS, and then pwede mo ring i-add ito sa iyong Apple Pay or Google Pay.
Okay pa.
Yun yung magandaan niya. Cryptocurrency card. Okay po?
Ayun. Thank you, Coach. Sino pang may tanong? Huwag kayong mahiya. Unmute niyo lang po yung mic niyo and let's go. Sis Chris, mayroon ka pa bang tanong? Otherwise, we're gonna let Coach Paul go.
Okay. Yes. Sorry for this very quick na meeting lang, but in the coming days, I want to go back to basic, Ate Divine. If you have prospects, mag-start tayo mag-discuss ng complan, yung buo, para maintindihan. You invite new prospects.
Actually, Coach Paul, nagsa-start na ako lahat ng mga new sign-ups, ina-onboard ko sila.
Wow.
Yeah. So I'm on it. Thank you though for reminding me.
Okay, ate. That's a good
Yes.
move. That's a very good move.
Yeah. So ngayon marami na mga bago. Naggawa ako last week. So by this week, guys, gawa tayo ng GC ng mga bago para hindi natin makalimutan silang i-onboard. Okay? Ayun po. Wala na po bang mga tanong?
Ang goal natin ay kumita ng passive income na ang goal ko para sa lahat dyan sa Canada, kahit alam nyo, kahit additional $1,000 daily lang, malaking bagay yan.
Yes po. Sobra.
Imagine mo, this is US dollar po, hindi Canadian dollar. So meaning if you are earning, halimbawa, sabihin na natin very conservative, $10,000 additional in 1 month. Hindi po ba malaki yan? 10,000 US dollar that's 14,000 Canadian dollar.
It makes a
Malaki
lot
na po
difference.
yun.
Yes, it makes a lot difference, guys. Let's go.
That's a lot, but we need more if there's more, right? We don't stop from
Yes,
there.
of course.
Yeah.
Diba?
As long as you earn
That is a
more.
big retirement already, but if there's more, go for more.
Yeah, I
Correct?
like it.
Yes,
Yes, for the start.
correct. So there's more to us.
I-link up nyo yung group nyo sa Europe. We will touch base with your group sa Europe kung meron tayong maayos na oras na pwede tayong mag-connect ulit
Yes
para
po.
ma-orient din natin sila.
Yes
Kasi ang
po.
laki ng grupo sa Europe din eh.
Yes po, Coach. Thank you, thank you. Ayan.
Okay po, nandun naman po ako sa group chats nyo. Don't hesitate to reach out and don't hesitate na magtanong po pero pag meron kang hindi naintindihan. Ito lang yung key po dyan sa mga prospect nyo. If you don't know the answer, don't ever fabricate or try to appease them with unconfirmed information. Just say no. Just tell them, I will come back to you. I will find out. Ganun po. Huwag tayong gumawa ng, sabi ni ganito, baka ganito yung sagot. Mahirap po yan. Kailangan lahat ng isasagot natin ay sigurado. Kaya pag hindi ka pa sigurado sa isasagot mo sa prospect mo, sabihin mo sa kanila na hindi mo alam ngayon, pero you will find out the answer and reach out to your leaders. Para hindi po magkaroon ng misleading.
Yes, Coach. Ayan.
Okay po.
Thank you, Coach, so much for your time.
Thank you, Ate. So, wrap up na natin. I really appreciate, at least I meet you now in the Zoom meetings. At least in the coming days, like what I've said, we can launch a longer Zoom meeting explaining to everybody the complete information ng system.
Yes,
Okay?
Coach. Ayan. Coach, po, okay lang ba mag-picture tayong lahat? This is our first...
Ate, huwag nyo lang pagkakalat kasi kakalat na naman yung mukha ko.
Wag tayo
Sige,
pagkakalat,
okay
guys. Open kayo ng cam. Dali, if you
That's
want to
nice.
picture.
Okay.
Ayan.
I'm in the car.
Guys.
Okay.
Tasty cheese. Mayroon 2 page ito. So, 2 beses kong gagawin. Alright? Right. Ready? 1, 2. Cheese. Ayan. Sa isa pang page. 2 kasi. Oh, thank you, Lord. Ayan. Biruin nyo yan. First, ano to? Unannounced. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you, Coach Paul po. Sa inyong time.
Thank you, Ate. Mas maganda
Next
talaga
time.
unannounced kasi pag pinaplano, hindi nangyayari.
Yes. Tama po. Ayan. Thank you, Coach Paul, for your time.
Okay,
Bye for now.
thank you everybody. I hope to meet you
Bye.
guys soon in Canada. Pag
Yes.
makapunta ako.
Thank you.
Salamat.
We'll set up
Thank
a
you.
schedule. Thank you
Okay
po.
po. Thank you po.